In this video, I'll guide you through the simple steps to change the theme on Telegram. Customizing your app has never been easier. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tech tips and guides. Let's dive in. Start by opening the Telegram app on your device. Once you're on the main screen, head to the top left corner and tap on the three-line menu. From the menu, select Settings to access your account settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Chat Settings. Here, you'll see a variety of customization options to personalize your experience. Look for the Browse Themes option and tap on it. This will open up a collection of themes for you to explore. Simply scroll through the available options and choose the one that matches your style or mood. Once you've selected a theme, it will be automatically applied to your Telegram account, giving your chats a fresh new look. And that's it. You've successfully changed the theme on Telegram. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. I'm here to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.